Since long, IKEA has been focusing on sustainability, and the current strategy that we work around has 3 pillars. The first one is to try to encourage our coworkers, our customers, to live a bit more sustainable and healthy through our solutions and products. And the second area is climate and circularity. Here we are focusing on the climate part, how to reduce our carbon dioxide footprint. And the third is about people, fair and inclusive. Here it's a lot about our own people, equality, diversity and inclusion, but it's also our engagement in society.
स्टेशन में जो भी बच्चे हमें मिलते हैं, जैसे ट्रेन से, मेल से, जो भी बच्चे बाहर गांव से आ रहे हैं, उन बच्चों को प्रोटेक्ट करके हम लोग उनको अच्छी सुरक्षित जगह, या बच्चे मुंबई के रहेंगे तो हम लोग उनके माँ बाप को हैंड ओवर करते हैं, या बच्चे बाहर के रहेंगे तो हम लोग उनको शेल्टर होम में एडमिशन करते हैं.
But there are children, young adults who are above, say, 15-16 years, who can't get back to the family. So in that situation, help them enroll into vocational training courses, which can help them become employable after 18 years, when they attain 18 years.
तो मुझे कंप्यूटर सीखने के लिए, पर मेरे घर का ऐसा फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन बहुत ख़राब थी, जैसे हम लोग नहीं, मतलब कंप्यूटर का भी फीस नहीं भर सकते थे हम लोग. तो मैं दीदी दादा से मिले, तो दीदी दादा ने संस्था से बात की है, फिर मेरा उनने कंप्यूटर का की है, तो मैंने कंप्यूटर भी सीखा.
We've also worked with a project called A Place Called Home, where we identified different needs in different markets, and together with different partners, we set up a longer project to refurbish homes, but also create construction sites for laborers. We've also supported the children in need in the Mumbai, around the Mumbai Dada railway station.
We facilitate toilet by providing the construction material to the household, and the household then construct it or get it constructed on their own.
घर में बाथरूम रहना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि रात बेरात कभी तबीयत ख़राब हो जाता है, कुछ हो जाता है तो बाहर नहीं जा सकते, और मैं हैंडीकैप्ड हूँ, मैं तो बिल्कुल नहीं जा सकती, तो मेरे को घर में बाथरूम रहना ज़रूरी है. जब पता चला कि यहाँ बाथरूम का फॉर्म बट रहा है, मिल रहा है, तभी मैंने फॉर्म भर के बाथरूम का सब सामान मिला, तभी मैंने घर भी बनाने का प्लान किया कि चलो यही बहाने से घर भी बन जाएगा मेरा.
Our role at construction sites have been twofold. One is to bring them under the apprenticeship scheme, so there's a training and stipend there. And the second is to ensure that they have all services, health services, social security services, etc.
Created the entire structure of homes for 100 laborers. So we supported with beds and all our home furnishing articles to be able to give them a decent life at home while they're working.
We are so excited that we could partner with IKEA here in Hyderabad in order to empower 70 families where we have helped them to redo their homes. And this project has impacted 350 individuals.
There are 2 courses that we launched. One is the assembler modular furniture. So those individuals who go into the homes and assemble a furniture, it could be a dressing table, it could be a wardrobe. That's one course. And the second course is those who actually set up kitchens, modular kitchens, to giving the learners exposure about the industry during their course, and on-the-job training or placements. IKEA has participated in developing the course, in mobilization, in guest lectures. Experts from IKEA come into our centers and give guest lectures, as well as some of the placements are in the ecosystem of IKEA.
A lot of our efforts go into making it possible for people to have a decent home, a place called home, and we think that is a human right. It's a long way to go to reach the many, but we are taking step-by-step approach to make the life at home for the many a little bit better. And in societies there are vulnerable groups that needs a bit more attention, and that's also where we take more effort to support in the community.